guys, so we're now here at another mall here in Pattaya. We are in central Pattaya. I'll do a very quick walkthrough on what the mall looks like from inside, but as you can see, it is quite aesthetic. It is located in front of Pattaya Beach as well, and it does have the Hilton Hotel on top of it. I think it's quite connected. So I'll just flip the camera over so we can do the walkthrough. Okay, so we're about to enter the mall. Okay, so we are pretty much in. It's my husband over here. Okay, so pretty much what I can say is it does have the greenbelt feels. I'll flip the camera over. I can already see that there are mid brands and they're quite high brands as well. So let's see what we can shop in here. Okay, so as for the shops, there's Tommy Hilfiger, there's typical H&M. There's a couple of shops that I don't know, which is this You Ed Pal, and with it, there's Mango. I think it's an outlet. Yeah, it is an outlet, so I might go there later. So it does have that really greenbelt vibes. You can see it. Yeah. If I were to compare it with Terminal 21 looks more fun, but this is very straightforward.
This is more laid back.
Yeah, it's more laid back compared to Terminal 21. Terminal 21, it has a fun feel. It's like you're sightseeing and you want to go to each floor right away because you want to know, what's in store for you. But this one is laid back, very straightforward. Showed a couple of sales over there, so I might even have a look. There's Aldo, Victoria's Secret. Some kids shops. Bodyworks. You also have Zara over there, quite far from where I am right now. So I think this part is more of makeup and perfume. So I think this is central. I think the somewhat like department store kind of shop. So there's that. I'll just put the camera back. Okay, so I think that is that for this walkthrough of the first floor, the ground floor of the mall. Very straightforward, pretty much like Glorietta. So I think we'll just go upstairs and see what other shops we can find and perhaps have a lunch here as well. So I think we'll see you in the next video. Bye! One good thing about this mall is when you go to the third floor, just go to the side wherein there's the beach. here is a viewing deck where you can see the rest of the view here in Pattaya. Okay, so once you're here, I would suggest you go to the basement. There are a lot of restaurants, but I think if you'd want to have much better option, value for money, and as well as, you know, a bit of a different taste as well, you may want to go and consider here, the Top's Food Hall. Again, it is on the basement. You have to go through the central department store and find the escalator going down. It's quite near the Dio kiosk. So yeah. There's KFC, Sunrise Tacos, Salad Factory, and I think there's a lot of other food options. There's also a bakery over there, which I can smell the bread. So it is lunchtime, guys, so I am quite famished. So everything does smell inviting for me. That is sad. So I think that sums up this vlog. I'll be cutting it out now and perhaps see a Thai restaurant that we can eat. And we'll see you in the next video once we're back in a different place. See you guys. Bye.